forex, what's popping? So it is Thursday, right? Just turned Thursday. Good week so far, man. There were some good trades. Caught me a nice little dub. I think it was this morning. Let me see. So I saw, first of all, let me break down all of this, right? The trade was like right up in here. So I went to the 4 hour, right? And I saw just overall, look at what we're doing with price. Look how price had this huge push, breaking structure over and over and over. Price pulled back, lower high, broke structure again. And then now we are in this bullish retracement channel, right? And then once price got up to the top of it again, look what happened. We had a big drop, a lower high created, big drop, another lower high created. Then we had a huge drop, broke the previous level of structure, broke out of the channel. Whoops. Right? Broke out of the channel. And then price coming back up, we had this level and we had this supply zone right here. So all I wanted to see was I wanted to see price's reaction off of that and see what happened. So let's go. So I went to the 5. I set alerts up in here so I knew when it got in there. And then when I looked at it, I saw a divergence from here to here. And then all I did literally is once price got in here, I think I actually saw it when it was like right here, right around here. So all I did was I set an alert right there. All I wanted to do was I wanted to see a break, right? What the fuck is going on? I wanted to see a break to the downside, okay? So that's all I wanted to see. And then when I got that alert, I went on the charts. I saw, okay, well, we had a lower high, another one, and another one. So we had the formation, divergence, break of structure, multiple lower highs, okay? And now we have our level, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have our POI right here, right? So what I did is I was like, all right, well, the POI is a little big. So I went down 4, 3, 2. Went to the 2-minute. The supply zone right here looked really good. So I set my sell limit right there. It was 7,169. I actually had a 4, 5 stop instead of it could have been a 3, but I didn't measure it out correctly. It would happen really fast. So there was that, and then the TP was somewhere around here at this next level. And then you look at what happened. Price dropped, hit it, bang, and then that, right? So that was a fantastic trade. I called it out in the signals, and it was dope. It was dope. Played out beautifully, 1 to 3. It was gorgeous, right? And then there was another trade. There was buys here. I don't think there was buys right here. We can check. But there was buys down here, but it just wasn't like a realistic, like for sure we could have bought. Yeah, there's no buys there. I mean, let's see. Yeah, the formation played out like right here, divergence, break, higher low, and then we could have had trades right here. But I mean, it just didn't even come to anything, I don't think. Like, oh, I guess we could have done that. So I guess there could have been trades right there, came to that low. You could have got buys up until that point. So I guess there could have been some decent trades right there. You saw that higher low established and a breakout. You could have got buys right here. Let's just say it's like right there. Stop loss down there below the low. And then that could have been your TP. That was a beautiful trade. This trade up here, I thought price was going to come up a little bit higher. I had my alerts up here, so I didn't get this one. But this one was beautiful. It was like, like Sunday night. Price broke out of the right as the week started. Price broke out of the channel, came back up, retested this resistance. And then it was the same formation, man. It was on the 5-minute. We were right here. Price had divergence, and then we had a break, multiple lower highs, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? See divergence right there. And then we had our level, our POI, and then the trade could have been taken. You could have even taken one right here. But that was it, man. That was the entire trade. Stop loss somewhat like that. And then, the potential on it was very far. Who knows how far you would have wanted to take it. But that was it, man. I mean, this simple formation that I'm starting to use right now that I used a long time ago. But it's that, and that's all it is. Very, very simplistic stuff. Just wait for reactions and wait to get what you want to see, and then bang. That's it, man. So that's so far 1, 2, 3 trades possible this week. It's Thursday. Probably done for this week. Come back next week. That's it, man. OFX out.